Monetary Technologies India Private Limited, Bangalore, since August 2010 to July 2011. He has over 2 years of experience in embedded and LabVIEW field. He is one of the persons as an industry expert in panel of Sri Krishna College of Engineering and Technology and technical advisor for few educational and corporate organizations too. He went as a chief guest for various academic institutions as well as industries and conducted workshops, free technical motivational speeches, and corporate and value added training programs all around South India regarding on robotics, IoT, artificial intelligence, MATLAB, LabVIEW, mechatronics and embedded system. He solved more than 5,000 plus IEEE projects for academic side and our candidates receive at least one best project award per year for sure. Thank you sir for your gracious present. I now invite Mr. Amarnath Karthik sir hands-on session on e-device interfacing with or without MIoT. Over to you sir.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Can we start now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir.
I think my voice is audible for you people.
Some disturbance is there, sir.
Disturbance is there.
Yeah.
We'll check it out. Give me a minute.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Now,
Still some disturbance is there, sir.
I mean, can you able to hear my voice clearly, or so much disturbances are there?
So much disturbance is there, sir.
Now,
Yeah, somewhat, sir. Some disturbance.
somewhat is okay. Can you able to hear my voice?
Yeah, but not clear, sir. We can hear, but it is not that much clear.
It's not that much clear. Actually, I'm new to this Microsoft.
Okay.
But in previous sessions and all, I haven't faced this kind of problem.
Okay.
And noise observed. Okay, fine.
No.
Can you able to hear me at least?
Sir?
Can you able to hear me at least?
Yeah, we can hear you, sir.
Speak whether my words are coming for you people.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So, good noon, everyone. Today we are going to learn about IoT using MATLAB. I mean, uh, what is IoT? Can anyone say? Let us make this session as an introduction session because it's a noon session. I don't know how much people are available now. Can anyone interact or myself? I should speak. Hello.
Yes, sir. Please interact.
Yeah. So IoT. I mean, by using electronic devices, if you are controlling and monitoring a device, an electronic device using internet is nothing but a IoT. In previous sessions, you people have seen some Node MCU, Arduino, these kind of controllers. And today, what we are going to see is normally people say that MATLAB is a simulating software or image processing tool. Likewise, as you people heard regularly, but today what we are going to know from this session is MATLAB. In MATLAB, we people are going to see three scenarios. The first one is how to interface hardware by using MATLAB. I mean, embedded hardware by using MATLAB. And the second one is we are going to use on the spot image capturing. I guess these you people are very much familiar with. But the thing is how to capture the image immediately and make it to go for some other mail IDs or something with immediate hotspot. I mean, it is not going to. It is not like that. We saved some other images and sending on the spot. Whenever we take some snap, immediately it is going to convey for the particular mail ID. Let me show you. Let me share some code for you. So, is this visible for you people?
Yes, sir. It is
Yes,
visible.
sir.
Actually, here in this code, normally what we are going to do is just we just have a snapshot. We just have a snapshot and see. One minute. One minute, please. Internet is
No problem, sir.
okay. So here,
Sir, can you please check your mic once, sir?
yeah,
like
actually I am
resounding.
checking.
Then remove your
speaking
mic and try to speak, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, actually I have removed and I connected my mic. then also disturbance is there, and I removed my mic. Uh,
Now somewhat is good, sir. Somewhat. Okay. Somewhat better.
Now it's better. Okay, fine. So how to how to change the camera? I mean this cam. Okay, let me show you. Let me open the camera and I'll show you the hardware devices whatever I'm going to interface now. Because uh, the thing is I'm accessing laptop camera now here. So MATLAB itself. See, normally what we are going to look now is we are going to interface embedded system controller with a MATLAB software. I mean, the thing is, embedded system is nothing but a combination of hardware and software to do a specific task typically, as you people know already. But the thing is, here we are using serial port. Serial port of this Arduino is going to interact with MATLAB tool, and the thing is, we are going to receive a character, send the character, and going to show you the code and going to explain you how it is, how this board is going to interact with MATLAB tool. I mean, the thing is, firstly, for serial communication, we are very much aware that baud rate is nothing but a bits per second. 1 minute. So here I have taken. I am going to check where the microcontroller port is connected. Here it is connected with port 64. So whether my screen is shared, entire screen.
Yes, sir, we can see your screen.
Yes, sir.
You are able to see my screen, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So what I did is COM64 communication portal. I have taken 64. So I have selected COM64 here. COM64 here. Baud rate 9600. So baud rate is nothing but bits per second. And here I have taken a variable that and I am opening my port. So whether if this port is available, then it is going to get opened. Or else, see, I will show you. I am taking some value now. Now this port is already committed. And now I am running this. And it is showing error that port is not yet opened. Because firstly, a beginner will face these kind of problem only. They do not know how the port open and closes, and they do not know how to select the port. If you select wrong port, it will never communicate with the particular device which you want to connect and communicate with. So now what I am going to do is I have closed the
Not audible.
Not audible.
Audible, sir.
now.
voice is not so clear, sir. It's a blur, like disturbance is coming. We are unable to understand, sir.
Now it is audible. Now also the same.
Yes, sir, it is same. We are getting some type of disturbance, like voice along with disturbance.
I don't know why. We are not able to hear even a single word.
Uh,
We are
try
understanding
to
the
log
words
out and
we
again log in, sir, if possible.
Again, log. Okay, okay. Take it.
sir.
Amarnath Karthik, sir. Sir, are you here? Amarnath Karthik, sir. Sir, can you hear us? Participants, stay back. We'll just contact sir and we'll get back.
Hello.
Sir.
Whether my voice is audible now?
Okay, sir, for now.
Okay.
Okay, sir, okay. You can continue, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
See, now we have connected this particular cable to our serial port. In olden day laptops or PC, you might have seen RS-232 port, which has 9 pins with that, which has a THD, RXD ground, and so many wires behind that. But TXD, RSD is going to play a major part in serial communication uh, with with the ground common. Our Arduino board, and here baud rate 9600 with the baud rate of 9600. So here I have code also. I have coded I have coded 9600 baud rate here also, so that I am making sure that both are communicating properly with the same media. And here I'm supposed to send a character E. So here, whenever you send a character, you can receive it via embedded system port. Whenever you receive, if you can program like if E is received, then you can do some other multiple operations. If it is not received, then you can do some other multiple operations. I mean, if condition is true and condition is false, with respect to that, you can do your product or code, whatever it may be. And here you can hello. Can you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Um, Ma'am, I mean, with the first code, uh, I mean, do you come to know anything in that first
So voice is disconnecting, sir.
voice is disconnecting?
Yeah.
1 minute.
Dear participants, sir is joining shortly, so please bear with us, and we regret this disturbance. So kindly stay back with us. Sir,
Ah,
sir,
yes, I came. So, this is the part we have planned for a day. So, um, uh, kindly beg your pardon because the thing is my voice is not that much audible for you people. So I'm planning to give demo at least. It will be useful for you, and the code whatever I'm giving is used for industries, and I've sold it myself for so many companies for a huge amount. So kindly don't underestimate this one. This is, I guess this one will be very much useful for you people. So sorry for the inconvenience. What if you have any doubts, I'll give my number, and I'll give my mail ID. You can reach me via that. We can I can clarify your doubts via mail or call, whatever it may be. I mean, whichever convenient for you people. But so sorry for this session. I'll show you the code one by one, and I'll just tell how this code is going to work, and I'll just tell. Sorry, I'll just show you how this can be work as a project. So shall we? Shall we start now? So the thing is, the first code which is going to work as a transmitter code. You can communicate with Arduino or some other controllers, whichever it may be. I mean, 8-bit controller, 16-bit controller, 32-bit controller, whatever controller it may be. You can interface with this code. This code is mainly no. I mean, mainly if you want to know in particular, this is a serial communication code which communicate with your laptop or MATLAB device, MATLAB tool with the microcontroller device. Here I have shown you 64 COM64. The same COM64 has been configured. The same 64 has been configured here. See, so it has been communicated. The first point, and then 9600 baud rate. So I did a code for 9600 only because unless or until if bits per second has been changed, then your communication will never get proper. So here baud rate again it is 9600. So simply I have opened a COM port, and then in this TEP variable I am sending E, the character E. So here I am just taking the TEP, which the serial port is closed now. So Previously I have shown you previously I have shown you that if serial port is opened, then your data will never be sent. One minute. So here now COM port is closed already, as we people have seen. So you can see here. I'll show you. 1 minute. Let me show you the image acquisition tool. Please see this one. Please see this one. I'm just sending a data. I'm just sending a data now. The particular data received, I mean, this RX pin will be, this LED will glow now. See? So now the port has been communicated. The first sample code has been completed now. We'll go for the second one. So here the same thing has been done with lot of priorities. I mean, here I have opened the serial port here 64 and I have set the baud rate. So in previous code we have done it in one single line, but now we are checking parity bit, data bits and stop bit, these kind of things, and then here overall we are just checking the type, name, port. I mean port is nothing but this one, baud rate, parity bit is none obviously, and data bits 8 bit. So 8 bit can be sent at a time, and stop bits might be 1 or 2 or 0, because as we are defaultly using asynchronous communication, because with asynchronous communication the specialization is it will be started with the start bit and it will end with the stop bit, as everyone know, because no even gaps exist between the data bits. I mean, if you consider 8 bits will be transferred with the particular time period, but still you cannot mention that even it will be sent with even time period. So here I am sending the character B, and I am just reporting that I have sent B. I mean displayed, and then I have closed it. See, we will see the output here. So here whatever I have conveyed, it came, and you can see the cam now.
Sir, we can see output, sir.
Now?
Like I think you have to on your webcam.
Webcam is already on.
No, sir, we can't see.
Image.
We can see the sharing the presentation. Only the screen we can see, sir.
Screen, you can see my screen, right?
The sharing screen we can see, sir. Not the output and like.
Yeah.
The setup we can't see, sir.
Now, ma'am.
Now we can see, sir.
Now you can see only the output, right?
Yeah, sir. Now we can see.
There are multiple tasks now. I mean, the code output I showed you.
Pardon, sir.
The code output and the video.
Yeah, sir. Okay.
Everything cannot be shown. I mean, simultaneously.
Yeah.
No, sir. I think you have to switch.
Switch which one?
Now, sir, that output screen we could see, sir. Now,
Oh, I want.
coding part is not seen now. Only the output we could see. Now we can't see anything, sir. I think now you're not sharing anything.
No, that is, I'm just checking.
Yeah, sir. Now we
Now
can.
you can see that. Hello?
Yeah, sir. We can see now. Output screen we can see.
I mean, this character center, this thing, and screen, camera, everything you can see, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm showing you the previous code. This also you haven't seen, right?
This we saw just now, sir. That time just coding we have seen.
So coding only you have seen. Okay, fine. So what the demo I have shown is for the first code. What I'm doing is I'm opening a serial monitor here. So here I'm going to take some data. Okay, now my serial port is closed with Arduino serial port, right? So now what we are going to do is we are going to check. We are going to check this one, serial TX. Serial TX is this file name, and we are going to check. It won't come because the thing is cannot connect the COM port because already COM port was committed to Arduino IDE. See, this kind of problem you will face regularly as a beginner. So this thing you should avoid. You should check whether the COM port is open or not, and you should configure with the available COM port. Then only you will get output firstly. So this is what I came to convey with that first code, and here simply we are transmitting a data by initializing only baud rate. So baud rate 9600 I have given. The same baud rate I have given here also. So unless or until if my baud rate is totally different, communication differs or communication speed differs, then output will never be got correctly. So now here we are going to go for a second code. Now it is visible, right? Whatever I am changing, whatever I am giving, my screen is totally visible, right?
No, sir. We can see only this output screen from long time. Coding screen we can't see.
Coding
code we can't see.
Okay, so I guess I should switch over regularly. I should
Yes, sir.
regularly. My God. Now can I be able to see this one?
MATLAB code we can see, sir.
See here, the thing is that particular code file is serial underscore tx, right? So if comport is opened here in Arduino IDE, then you will get this error. Whenever this error has been compiled, you can immediately say that comport is closed or comport is used somewhere else. Can you able to understand now? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Ah. So now I closed that hardware. So now I have closed Arduino IDE serial port now. So now my port is free. Output is coming. Okay. I'll show you how the output comes. Now I executed this one. You have seen the code already. Now I'll show you the demo how it changes. See, I'm sending a character here. I'm sending a character. I mean, whatever character it may be, don't consider what character I'm sending. I'm just checking whether my data is being received to Arduino or not. This is the point here. So what I'm coming to say is, see here, if you see this output, one LED is glowing now, and here it is not glowing. Now, if our data is being received, then the circuit will reset. So this is the thing I have did. See, so now some data has been received, it is working. So I am going for the second, sending a character now. It is similar to that, but here we have did parity bits, data bits, stop bit, these kind of additional bits for even more reliability and even more to avoid data losses. And here we have given a little bit more. Whenever you send a character B or something, you can display. You can also display which character you sent here, and you should never forget to close serial port unless or until if you are not closing, it will make you to it will give some error or your code will not work regularly. So here the same thing. There I have sent a character to microcontroller or some other devices, whatever it may be, which the devices I have interfaced. Here I have interfaced Arduino. So here what the thing is, I have sent some data to Arduino. Previous code I have sent only character, but now what we are going to see is now how to send a string. I mean, in previous code, what we have did is A, B, C, likewise, a single character has been transmitted to Arduino. So here now, what we are going to see is we are going to see some hello world or enter your name, whatever it may be. The string has been going to be printed here. So the same code what I have did is I have used fprintf and I have used data. So I have taken input, enter character, whatever character I am going to give will be stored in a string. For example, I will just run this code. One minute. let me share you the screen. See, enter character is there. Enter character. Here, now what I am going to do is I am going to enter the character. So these characters will be sent to that Arduino hardware kit. These characters, collection of characters and in string, will be sent to that particular Arduino hardware via serial port. Enter your name, whatever. So now we can go with some other advanced concept. Here, what we are going to do is we are going to have a serial transmission with Arduino, and what we are going to do is we are going to receive some data with our laptop, I mean MATLAB. So MATLAB is going to receive a character which is going to be unique. I mean, if you are saying as a story or application, kindly get you some application. If you are opening the door without knowing who is that intruder, then some problem will be. Can you able to hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, my connection is getting regularly. Okay, fine. So, whenever you see an application like household application, if somebody is standing outside, you should know who is standing outside. Okay, fine. We'll take for industrial application. For that, you will use embedded system itself. If you take industrial applications and if you check whether some objects cannot be viewed directly by with our eyes, so we can use these kind of cameras to monitor or something, capture image by using these kind of things, these kind of codes. So here what I did is I have initialized everything as we seen in previous codes. 64 COM64 port, and here I am checking whether object one this object one whether is empty, then initializing that 64 again, because till COM port is open I should initialize this 64, and once if it is opened, then I am just initializing baud rate and I am opening the serial port. So it is coming inside. I am just checking whether my data is received with the first character dollar. Whether my data is received with the first character dollar. So here I'm just again checking my serial port and checking whether if it is open or not, and then here I am checking for waiting for data. So I am continuously checking for the data. So the same code I have written here. Here once I have taken a LDR. For example, I have taken an analog input here. See, Whenever input here and two outputs with two LEDs. So whenever my LDR is getting highlighted, I can easily see that the character.
Sir,
Hello?
we can't see the setup screen, sir.
Oh, 1 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute, ma'am.
Yeah, sir.
Now, so
Yeah, sir. Now we can see.
can you able to see, ma'am?
Yeah, sir. Can see now.
Yeah. So here I have taken two outputs. Here I have taken two outputs just for a sake. The input. So whether checking with some value, and if it is going maximum to the extent, then I am sending $B. So for a particular extent, I'm just sending $A, and if the condition is false, I'm sending $B. So here we are going to concentrate only on the MATLAB part. So here, what I'm going to transmit, I should receive there. For that, see, I'll show you. I'll show you the demo for this one. Can you able to see this serial monitor? That also I should share individually. 1 minute. Now,
Not yet, sir.
now, ma'am.
No, sir. Nothing.
No, sir.
$B is coming regularly.
Pardon, sir?
Dollar B is coming regularly or not? No.
Still we can't see anything, sir.
You can't see serial monitor. 1 minute.
Nothing sharing we can see.
Now, ma'am. Now also.
No, sir. We can't see.
Monitor is not getting shared, ma'am. 1 minute. Let me show you in MATLAB itself. Let me show you in MATLAB itself. Please wait a minute. I'll share you the code. I'm going to delete this one in front of you people. So I have deleted these things, and this is code now. Oh, it is showing ID2 is already in use because I am using it in image acquisition tool. So I'll close this one. Now So now if you check this output, 1 minute, I'm opening this. Can you able to see? 1 minute. Let me share you. See now, it has taken these 3 pictures. I'm running the code. I've deleted again. The code is running. Uh, so it will automatically images. I have given for only 3 pictures at a time. So it is taking 3 pictures. It will regularly do the same. Pictures which it is taking regularly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I'll say you how to interface. I mean, how to send a mail. How to send a mail via MATLAB. One minute.